My lesson today is hydrotherapy. Hydro means water, therapy means treatment. So I will act as a doctor today and Tata is my patient. Before you start the hot foot bath, you have to pray. Allow Jesus to heal you because Jesus is the water of life. My first activity is hot foot bath. So I'm going to do this because kanina before we do this, we jogging tapos play badminton. So I'm going to do this to my tatay. So first, because I know my tatay is tired and tatay has to wake up. So first, you check the water temperature. So the things that you're going to need is hot water, and then a lalaganan to put your feet, a basin to put your feet at the right size. Then you need like this, that for you check the water temperature, and a blanket for you can cover the patient. So we already covered the patient. We already put hot water and then on it. So we already put hot water. We just need to check the temperature.
Okay, 104.
So we need that 104. We just wait for a minute or...
No, 114. So meaning 108, 9, 10. So ang kailangan lang is 104.
Only 104.
Wait for it.
So it's already 104. So when it's 104, put your feet. So after you do that and then check the temperature, you get your blanket and cover the patient. The purpose of this is because the patient will sweat. So sweat is the waste product of your body. So to prevent dehydration of the patient, let the patient drink water.
Good, very good.
Cover the patient for 30 minutes and then let the foot bath stay there for 30 minutes too. So you can put cold water here at the cold compress at the forehead with like a towel, and then put it at the forehead like when you have a fever, you put that diba. So you also put it at when you're doing a hot foot bath. But my tata is working, so maybe it will disturb him, so we're not going to put it. You can put it if you want to, but if you don't want, you can also do that. So you know the purpose of the hot foot bath? So it promotes blood circulation. It's like this. When you do the hot foot bath, it will make your veins where the blood flows. It will make it bigger for the blood will flow more easier. So after the hot foot bath, after that you can put water filled with ice at the same tub.
Why?
To relax your paa. If you have sakit na ulo, or if you just want, or if you're tired lang, you can do that. And if you're sick, or if you have a cold, or you have sipon, or you have cough, or you have something that is itchy in your body, you can use hot foot bath and cold foot bath. So tomorrow I will show you another hydrotherapy technique. So goodbye. See you next time.